What is the difference between Google Form and Fluent Form?
Google Forms is it is on Google, like it doesn't redirect you. And this Fluent Forms is on the WordPress website that you have. We can integrate that here.
So you can integrate Fluent Form, but अगर मुझे Google Form अपनी वेबसाइट पे दिखलाना होगा,
Right.
लोग तो दिखलाते हैं,
Right.
पॉसिबल है?
Tell me 5 multi-purpose theme names.
Theme names. I have used only 2 till now, Cadence and Astra, so I am known to that.
What is difference between no index tag and robot.txt?
No
file?
index means don't want the bot to come and go through my page only, so it doesn't have the content of this. In robot.txt, it will scan, but it will not show the user. Like it will be shown to me.
Robot.txt is for human? Or
No, not human. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. See? Give me your resume. Yes, Sama, tell us about yourself.
So my name is Sama Sheikh. I have done my bachelor's in architecture and currently upskilling myself through digital marketing course. And I'm an intern at Zensa Work, and we are doing a project there named Ruhi.
Okay. And about your digital marketing journey, which topics you like?
SEO, website building.
Website building.
Yeah.
So can you tell me the process, like if we started with, or we are just starting with a new website, how you will proceed? Say I'm your client,
Right.
and I want a website for my business.
Right.
Now let's start the conversation.
So firstly, I'll get the details from you. What is the business about? Is there any brand kit or anything already prior done? If not, I'll try to build that first. Then I'll work on the wireframe initially without the content part. Then I will sit and talk discuss all the wireframe. What all we have to put the details, because the client will be better at what content we have to put if he knows his product. So I'll try first wireframe finalize करेंगे. Then I will work on the content part. Then after that I will do all the tags and manage all the tagging part will be done. And after like this I will proceed with the
And इस पूरे process में कितना time लगेगा?
I think a month should be there, because brand building से लेके website अगर मैं करती हूँ तो 15 days I think initially I have to take, and then 15 to 20 days maybe for the optimization, because at first nothing goes right. There has to be some optimization that needs to be done.
Okay. So website build करते समय और करने के बाद थर्ड पार्टी टूल्स में ऐसे कौन से टूल्स हैं और उनके कोड हैं जो कि हमें वेबसाइट पे डालना चाहिए?
थर्ड पार्टी एज इन गूगल टैग मैनेजर हमें पहले डालना पड़ेगा. उससे हम फिर हमारे वर्डप्रेस अगर हम बना रहे तो वी विल हैव टू पुट इन HFCM. So with the help of that, it will be as easier. So we will put Google Analytics, Metapixel, then Clarity also, Microsoft Clarity. All this I will put in my.
So अगर हम Google Tag Manager यूज कर ही रहे हैं तो HFCM की जरूरत है?
Yes, sir, because जो बाकी के the other tag code that I have to put, like the Metapixel code or any like that, I will need HFCM.
So बाकी के जो कोड हैं पिक्सल वगैरह हम लोग टैग मैनेजर से नहीं डाल सकते?
It will be there ना सर. टैग मैनेजर तो फर्स्ट स्टेप पे. उसके बाद इधर आई विल हैव टू जनरेट ऑल दी टैग्स like the Google Analytics, Pixel. Everyone will have a short piece of code.
So वो कोड हम टैग मैनेजर के इस्तेमाल के थ्रू डाल सकते हैं क्या, या फिर HFCM से ही डालना पड़ेगा?
Sir, I have tried with HFCM only.
So you have used WordPress, right?
Right.
Tell us about WordPress.
WordPress.
What is WordPress?
WordPress is an organization which helps you to build website. It is an open software. It is content management system. It is user friendly. So it is easy. If you don't know coding, it is better for you because you can understand there are plugins that help you to get sort of many things. So it's
Name
easy.
5 plugins that you have used.
Like in the hospital one, we used the Fluent Forms for the forms, then Elementor. Then in that only essential add-ons and royal add-ons we have done. And after that, simply Calendly for appointment bookings.
Okay. So, what is the difference between Google Form and Fluent Form?
Google Forms is it is on Google, like it doesn't redirect you. And this Fluent Forms is on the WordPress website that you have. We can integrate that here.
So, you can integrate Fluent Form, but अगर मुझे Google Form अपनी वेबसाइट पे दिखलाना होगा,
Right.
लोग तो दिखलाते हैं,
Right.
पॉसिबल है?
Yes, you need to embed that code in your WordPress plugin.
Yes.
Yes, Sama. Tell me 5 multi-purpose theme names.
Sorry?
Tell me 5 multi-purpose theme names.
Theme names. I have used only two till now, Cadence and Astra, so I am known to that.
Okay, how to optimize web page to load fast?
So for that, there are plugins that we can use. WP Cache, fastest cache 360, that we will use for the purpose. And still, if it is not happening, we'll have to optimize the things, like if the code ratio is too much, we'll have to clear that out. If the images that we have put are high in the file potential, then we have to decrease the size, compress it. So all that can be done.
Okay, name 2 page builder.
2 page builder, Elementor and Block Builder is there.
Okay, what
Block
is the
editor.
difference between post and page in WordPress?
Post is like HTTPS, our domain name oblique, just that name is there about the post. And in the other one, that is page, the page name will come. Right?
Okay, which permalink structure is best suitable for WordPress?
Post name.
Post name.
Yeah.
So, you said post is having different URL structure and page is...
Yeah.
Is that the difference?
I'm not sure on that.
Say if you have you are working on a website, okay, actually the website is, you got the website from some other client,
Right.
and you are facing a lot of troubles.
Yeah.
Some error, sometimes it is not loading, sometimes it is giving white screen, all those things. How you will proceed on fixing that?
Instead of fixing, because if there are many problems, working on fixing that will take much more time than convincing the client that we start from scratch on WordPress and it will be clean, neat, and maintenance friendly.
No, the website is in WordPress already.
Yeah.
Okay, and problem is sometimes it is giving you white screen of death. We call it white screen of death, white screen error.
Yeah.
So when you are loading the page, nothing appearing on the screen.
I'll have to
What
check.
could be the issue and how you will check? Have you faced this problem on your website? Not yet. Any idea about WP config in WordPress? You have set up form, right?
Yeah.
Fluent Form. Have you done SMTP?
Yes, with the help of Sage.
So can you tell me about SMTP? What is SMTP and how to proceed?
In SMTP, you have to add the plugin in your WordPress first initially. Then there is the process that you have to go through, that is Gmail verification and everything. Then you get out client and 2 IDs you get for proper integration through it. So whenever a form is filled up on my Gmail account, it will in my inbox it will show that such and such form has been done.
Okay. Do you remember that plugin? Which plugin you used?
Post SMTP.
Post SMTP. Okay. So in say in website designing, our website is not on WordPress.
Right.
Okay, it is on normal HTML.
Hmm.
You got the project to migrate this website on WordPress. How you will proceed, and what kind of precautions you will take.
On HTML.
So website is in normal HTML coding. Now we have to migrate it to WordPress.
Maybe there will be plugins that will help us to migrate it.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Through
will
plugins.
maybe.
And how you will migrate website from local WP to live server.
There is a plugin for local to this. I cannot recall the name. It is the WP migration,
All-in-one.
all-in-one WP migration, right?
Okay. So with that plugin, can you tell me the process?
Oh yes, in tools you get import and export option. So first you will have to export your from local WP. So you get that file. Then on your domain, when you have there also, when you get the WordPress, you import that file over there.
Okay.
So this file will be imported.
Regarding SEO, search engine optimization, now people are saying one should do AIO, artificial intelligence optimization,
Right.
because most of the people are searching on AI tools. How do you think? How do you see the future of SEO?
SEO can be done through AI, but there are some human touch you need in it, because every detail cannot be done through the AI. There can be some pointers that human have to interfere to correct that part. So I think it might AI might drive the SEO part, but not the human touch that you need, because every project, every client has different approach to his own things. So that will not be the case.
Yes, Sama. Tell me 5 key elements of technical SEO.
Technical, there you should have the canonical URL. The page should have schema. Then loading time should be less. It should have schema. A robot.txt should be there. Sitemap.xml should be there.
What is robot.txt?
When we have multiple web pages and I don't want the user to go to that pages, so I will use robot.txt.
What is difference between no index tag and robot.txt file?
Sorry?
What is difference between no index tag and robot.txt
No
file?
index means don't want the bot to come and go through my page only, so it doesn't have the content of this. In robot.txt, it will scan, but it will not show the user. Like it will be shown to me.
Robot.txt is for human?
No, not human. It will, like, I have a file like in a module only, that KK वाग का एक प्रोजेक्ट था, उसमें उनकी पर्सनल डिटेल्स भी उस पेज पे थी, but they want only them to see, not if someone else is coming on the website. So in that case, I will disallow it. Don't go on that page.
So you are saying if the disallow is done in robots.txt, it will disallow people from visiting that area?
Yeah, it will restricted zone.
It will restrict people?
The people that will come on the website.
Are you sure? Is it for people or is it for bot?
It's for people, because it will the part that is restricted, the bot has to scan that portion now to know at least what is there. And in no indexing, the bot will not see only what is. I don't want that
On
page to
your
be indexed.
website, have you used robots.txt?
It was automatically generated.
It was automatically generated. Did you see what is disallow in that robots.txt? It is your WP login.php.
Okay.
That means, with your theory, if robots.txt disallowed WP login.php, that means no one can open that page. That means no one can log into your website. Even you cannot log into your website.
Okay.
Huh? So robots.txt is for bot.
Okay.
It is not for you.
Okay.
This was bot.
Hmm.
So the bot will get restricted. It will not go and visit that area.
Okay.
Right? Yes. Thank you.
Yes, Sama. Tell me keyword intent with example.
Keyword intent. 4 types: navigational, informational, transactional, and commercial. In informational, you just need the info, like what is, if I'm buying shoes, what type of shoes are available. In transactional, I will buy so when under 5,000 maybe. In transactional, I will be specific. Ki I want this company's shoes only.
Okay. Explain me concept of crawling or indexing.
Crawling is when you allow bot will come on your when you bot will come. It will crawl to all the content of your pages, and it will be just going through it. And indexing will it will save the content on the server for people to see.
Tell me primary purpose of alt text.
All text is if to get the image details, what is it exactly.
ओके, तो इसका एसईओ के लिए कैसे हेल्प होता है?
SEO में जब इमेज लोड नहीं हो रही है मे बी, सो आई कैन उस पे जब जाते तो वो बॉक्स आएगा डिटेल व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली.
ओके, व्हाट इज साइट मैप?
It is the whole layout or मतलब layout of the whole website, that what is there, all mapping of the whole site,
कौन से
all
फाइल टाइप
pages.
में रहते हैं साइट मैप?
Huh?
कौन से फाइल टाइप में रहते हैं साइट मैप?
XML में
एक्सेल?
L.
So Sama, what are your strengths?
What are my strengths?
Hmm?
I am disciplined, I am hardworking, I am a team player, and I think
So give me one situation where you felt that you are a team player.
why I failed. So like before this, I was working in my for the what I did architecture. So there only I have experienced that we had a project. I just matlab, one time only someone did something wrong. So next time I was like, don't do it. I will do everything on my own, because I felt like it is my fault that I did not check the person thing what he did. So that was the time I felt like I am not a team player at all, because after that I was like, should I give him the work? Should I not give him? That was the time I felt that was the time I was questionable to myself only, whether I'm a team player or not.
So what did you find?
No, so after a week when the things sorted, then I was like, you should, I tried to talk to him that you should be more careful about things, because after that, when you are at interns and in the levels you are there, the one that is above you is answerable to everyone. So be careful when you have your own work.
So you started with architecture and now you are upskilling with digital marketing.
Yes.
So how do you see your career shaping? Like, how do you see yourself in next 3 years, 4 years?
But I think digitally, I will explore more, because what is happening, every field has competition now, every field, but everyone has a different skill set. There is no one that they don't have any skill. Everyone has certain skill, but if they are not able to market themselves or show themselves, nothing will work in their favor. So you need to have that presence. And now since digitally it is booming, so I think this will change.
So like in 4, 5 years, any plan of starting your own company or planning to grow in job? How do you see?
Initially, I want to explore in jobs. Maybe after that, if I find that I can be helpful in growing an agency, then I might be open to that option.
Okay. So अगर आप मान लो नीचे जा रहे हो अभी and आप जहाँ से अपनी गाड़ी पे चले और आपके बैग सामने एक पैर के पास बैग रखा है और उसमें 20 लाख रुपए है,
Yeah.
क्या करोगे आप?
I'll report it to the police. Frankly speaking.
Okay. So what is the importance of money in your life?
Money is important for your lifestyle. Like if you have a certain level of lifestyle you want to maintain, you need money. but it should be at the cost of your hard work and your working, not for not someone else's hard work.
Okay. And when it comes to paid advertisement, there we spend money,
Yes.
right? So, any experience of running ads?
No, so not yet.
And how do you see yourself कि अगर मुझे टाइम आएगा
Hmm.
और मुझे ऐड चलाना है,
Yeah.
किसी के 50,000 रुपये मुझे मिल गए, तब भी ऐड चलाओ,
Right.
आप चला लोगे अकेले?
Initially, I doubt it, but once I gain the confidence, I will.
So, what is the problem right now?
Right now, because I don't.
You know Google Ads, you know
Right.
Meta Ads, the
Right.
panel,
Yeah.
options, everything.
Yes.
Yes, now go ahead. What is the problem?
The problems I think, I think will come are if it doesn't work initially. So there might be steps that someone who is more experienced than me will be able to guide me that no, this won't work, this will work. So you should try to optimize it. Because with time, if I run ad, I will gain that confidence in me for running that. So after that, I will be able to do it.
So, let's say not 50,000. Of what kind of budget you can run ad by yourself with all confidence?
Presently, I think 10,000.
10,000.
Correct.
And here we are talking about 10,000 per day, per month,
Maybe a week or 2.
week or 2. All right. So, Sama, you have not written about your hobbies here, but I can see interpersonal skills you have mentioned, data analysis.
Yes.
What kind of data analysis?
This I have written on the basis of both the mixture, architectural background and digital background, because we had whatever we had, like this is a problem, what are the pros, what are the cons, what do you see? That is the thing.
Okay. So from architectural background, we see a lot of architects, they are building something really great.
Right.
And great designs. Sometimes they transform the area.
Right.
Like you cannot believe. Okay. So can you tell me the quality of a person and the qualities which are required to be a very good architect?
You need, firstly, even if you have design skills, you must be able to convince the other person to build it, because the wow things that we see do not come up so easily. You need to convince the client, the investors, all the people to appreciate it. So you have to have that convincing power as well. Even if your designs are great and you're not able to convince them, they will be just on the paper.
That's true. Okay. All right. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sama, any question for us?
Okay.
See, the interview was good. You have prepared well, and you are doing good already. There were some confusions. SEO and in case of Google Tag Manager. Have you done this setup, Google Tag Manager?
And this project only, sir, through so it helps.
So थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम बिताना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा और एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा. वेबसाइट जैसे अभी ट्रू हिल है या बाकी के भी प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे, आपकी खुद की वेबसाइट होगी अगर, सो उस पर इन सब चीज़ों को इम्प्लीमेंट करके देखिए कि मैं गूगल टैग मैनेजर अगर कोड डाली तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, फिर उसका मुझे HFCM की ज़रूरत पड़ी तो क्यों पड़ी, है ना. सो थोड़ा सा करके देखना होगा. SMTP स्टिल यू आर मोर डिपेंडेंट की वो सर ने करके दिया था. वो जो टैग है वो निकलना चाहिए. प्लगइन्स के नाम आपको ठीक ठाक याद है, लेकिन जैसे थीम्स की बात हुई तो 2 थीम पे हम रुक रहे हैं. यूएस क्लासेस में हमने उतनी थीम देखी है, बट उसके बियॉन्ड भी हमें एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए. So how much time you spend on daily basis in front of your laptop doing digital marketing apart from class?
Apart from class, 2 hours. hardly.
2 hours. So 2 hours you can create a task list that today I am going to finish these 2 things.
Okay.
Not more than that, just 2. But I'll make sure कि ये दोनों खत्म हो जाए. तो
Right.
उस हिसाब से अगर हम चलेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी.
Right.
और वो 2 घंटे भी काफ़ी यूटिलाइज होंगे. 2 घंटे सफिशिएंट है.
Hmm.
बाकी अच्छा है. थोड़ी आवाज़ बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, वॉल्यूम. अभी तो खैर वीडियो में बढ़ानी पड़ेगी सबको. लेकिन इंटरव्यूअर हो सकता है, कई बार क्या होता है, कोई इंटरव्यूअर ना थोड़े ज़्यादा एज के होते हैं. उनको सुनने में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. थोड़ा सा तेज ना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज गुड. इट्स गोइंग गुड. यू आर प्रैक्टिकली जो आपने किया है, आई एम श्योर कि आप स्टेन ज्वाइन करने के बाद ही डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में है. उससे पहले कोई बैकग्राउंड था डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का?
No, my sister is doing digital marketing.
शी इज डूइंग.
She has done already from Stains only.
ओके. कब, कौन से ईयर में?
You're another Sarvat Sheikh.
सरवत शी वाज इन फिजिक्स वाला. बहुत बढ़िया. शी वाज आल्सो वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग.
She only guided me to do this. You will get help in your field also, and you will like it also.
But for you, you started from zero, right?
Yeah.
In digital marketing, at Stage, you started from
Yeah.
zero. So you are doing great. Just spend more time, explore more, and even talk to people, talk to our team members. कि सर मैंने ये 3 प्लगइन्स ट्राई कर लिए हैं, और कोई करने चाहिए क्या? और मैं 2-4 देखूं क्या? जबरदस्ती पकड़ के आप उनको बोलो कि आज के लिए मुझे 3 प्लगइन दे दो आप. ठीक है, नहीं दे रहे हैं, पीछे पड़े रहने का. 3 प्लगइन दो.
Yes.
तो उससे क्या होगा ना, एक इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगी और थोड़ा हम ज़्यादा टाइम बिता करके थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस और बढ़ेगा. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड.
यस समक, काफ़ी अच्छा था इंटरव्यू. जो आपके आंसर थे वो सही थे. सिर्फ जैसे अभी थोड़ा और एडवांस में आपको जाना पड़ेगा. जैसे सर ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि HTML से वर्डप्रेस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे.
Right.
सो वो थोड़ा और एडवांस लेवल का क्वेश्चन था, तो उसमें आपको जाना होगा. देन GTM आप यूज़ करो. तो ये सारी चीज़ें थोड़ा बेसिक से आप एडवांस में जाओ अभी.
Okay.
ओके, तो बाकी के जो आंसर्स है वो भी आपके क्लियर होंगे.
Yes.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.